Hello my dear students, let us begin the topic algebraic expression and identities. Dear students, what is algebra? In the previous video we have learned that algebra is a great fun. You can enjoy the algebraic. In the same way, what are expression and identities? In the today's class we are going to learn what are expressions. Expressions are formed by variable and constant values. These variables and constant has separated by the help of the different operations. So, expressions are the combination of variable and constant values. Terms are added to form expression. Even the terms are added to form a expression. But dear students, let us know what are variable. Here I use the word variable. A variable is a number, but it is unknown. We are using, it is denoted by a letter. A variable is unknown. You can say it is a one of the unknown value. But it is, we are denoting by the help of the letters, that too small letters, lower case. You understood what is variable. Let us see now constant. A constant, the word itself says that variable means it varies. So it is an unknown value. It will be not having the fixed value. But constant means a number on its own. It is having the fixed value. It is called constant. It never change. But variable varies according to the situation. For one problem x is equal to 2 you may get. But in another problem you may get x is equal to 3. So variable, it changes. It varies according to the situation. Constant means it is one of the fixed value. A number on its own is called constant. Then you have learned that expression are formed by variable and constant. But expression terms are added to form expression. What are term? Term is either single number or a variable or together. Term can be one of the single number, or it can be a variable, or both. If they are together also, it can call it as term. Term. You are knowing that first term exam, second term exam. This is just one of the part of that. So, next, coefficient. What is coefficient? A coefficient is a number used to multiply a variable. Coefficient is one of the number. It is used to multiply a number. So let us see now by the help of the one equation. Here there is a one equation. This 4x minus 7 is one of the expression. 4x is one term, 7 is one term, 5 is one term. As I told you, a term either a single number or a constant. It is a one of the term. These are the constants. 7 and 5 are the constant. So let us see the one of the model equation. Ax square plus bx is equal to c. Here x is a variable. A and b. What are a and b? A and b are coefficient. Coefficient means it will be with the together. It will be with the variable. So coefficient, co-teacher means with the main teacher one more help, like a helper or assistant, it will be there. So it is called as a coefficient. C is a constant. Now let us see all these equations. But here we know that polynomial. What is polynomial? Polynomial is can have constant, variable and the exponents. A polynomial can have constant also, variable also and exponent. Dear students, you can see here 3xy square minus 3x minus 8 is one of the polynomial. Here terms are there, but here 3xy minus 2 is there. Minus 2 is the exponent, but if it is in the form of minus, then it will not become a polynomial. If 2 divided by x plus 2, if it is divided by a variable, then it is not a polynomial. Based on this polynomial, we have kept the special names. How we are keeping the special name? By observing the things. Now if it is only one term is there, so we call it as monomial. Mono means only one. For example, 4xy square. Binomial, if two terms are there. Now 8x is one term, 1 is another term, so binomial. Trinomial, 3 terms, 2x plus 5 square minus 1. So polynomial. Like terms. What do you mean like? Always you like your same age group friends, right? Like means the same category friends. If the different class means they become senior. If they different class means they become junior. But you love so much your own classmate because they all belongs to the same age group. Here like terms means whose variable are same. Like terms means whose variables are same. Even though they are exponents. Exponents means power are same. For example, such as 2x square. Like means each other. They should be the same. Example, 1 upon 3xy square minus 2xy square plus 6xy. Here these are the like terms. Why? Because the variables are same. xy square, xy square, xy square. Powers are same, variables are same. But 1 upon 3, 2, these are different. But are all like terms because the variables are all are xy square. But you have to keep in your mind, coefficients of like terms need not be the same. These are the coefficient 1 upon 3 to 6. So it no need to be a same. Next. But my dear students, I used here equation. It is ax square plus bx is equal to c. It is one of the equation. But what is equation? An equation says that two things are equal. How? Let us see. If it will have equal sign also indicates equation. Equation says that two things are equal. Which are those two things? Dear students, you can see that ax square bx is equal to c. Here ax square plus bx is equal to c means here two things are there. Which are those two things? Hope you all learned in the lower class LHS is equal to RHS. What is LHS? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is called an equation. Equation means says that two things are equal. Left hand side and right hand side are equal. Hope you understood that even the basic words of the algebraic expression, only the one word is left out, that is identities. Let us observe and watch in the next video. Thank you.